We are now going to solve equations with rational exponents. And there's a really big rule that you need to make sure you understand. And that's if we let u to the m over n power equal k, then this implies that u equals k to the n over m power, but only if m is odd. If m is even instead, it does something else. Then our u to the m over n equals k implies that u equals plus or minus k to the n over m power. And this becomes really important to make sure that you follow, understand, and use correctly. So we're going to work a couple of examples. We'll start with the following. Suppose that we have 2 to the 2x minus 1 to the 3/2 power minus 30 equals 24. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get this piece by itself. So we're going to add 30. 2 to the 2x minus 1 raised to the 3/2 power will equal 54. Then divide by 2. 2x minus 1 to the 3/2 power equals 27. Now we can use that rule above, and 2x minus 1 is equal to 27 raised to the 2/3 power. Notice I turned it upside down. And notice that m is odd, so I don't get a plus or a minus here. Well, 27 to the 2/3 is the same as 27 to the 1/3 squared. 27 to the 1/3 is 3, and 3 squared is 9. So this gives me 2x minus 1 equals 9. I can add 1 to both sides. That gives me 2x equals 10. Divide by 2, and x is 5. So if we go back to our original and check this, we get 2 times 5 minus 1 raised to the 3/2 power minus 30 equals 24. Well, that's 10 minus 1 to the 3/2, which is 9 to the 3/2. Well, 9, square root of 9, then 9 to the 1/2, is 3. 3 cubed is 27, so 2 times 27 minus 30 equals 24. 2 times 27 is 54. 54 minus 30, sure enough, is 24. So our answer of 5, sure enough, works just fine for this problem. Well, what about 3x minus 1 to the 2/3 plus 5 equals 9? And again, we do the same thing. Get the rational power by itself. So 3x minus 1 to the 2/3 equals 4. And here what we're going to do is we're going to swap this. So 3x minus 1 equals 4 to the 3/2 power, but because this is even, I'm going to add a plus or a minus. So we get 3x minus 1 equals plus or minus 4 to the 1/2 cubed. 3x minus 1 equals plus or minus 2 cubed, so 3x minus 1 equals plus or minus 8. Well, that's 3x equals 1 plus or minus 8. So 3x equals either a 9 or 3x equals minus 7. Divide by 3, and x equals 3, or x equals minus 7/3. And then when we plug these back in, both of them, sure enough, will work. 3 times 3 is 9, minus 1 is 8. The cube root of 8 is 2, which is 4, and 4 plus 5, sure enough, is 9. The other one's going to be a little bit harder, so let me give myself some more room for this. 3 times minus 7/3 minus 1 raised to the 2/3 power plus 5 equals 9. Well, 3 times 3 is 3 divided by 3 is 1, so we get minus 7 minus 1 to the 2/3, which is minus 8 to the 2/3, which is minus 2 squared, which again is positive 4 squared, negative 2 squared is positive 4, and positive 4 plus 5, sure enough, is 9. So we get 9 equals 9, and we have found that our answer is both 3 and negative 7/3.